Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a package that I got from Plouise Academy. I already opened the package, but I still wanted to do a video showing you guys what I got, so that's what we'll be doing today. So before I start, I want to wish you guys a happy new year. This is my very first video of the new year, and I hope that you all have a very blessed and successful 2022, and please continue to be safe. So now going into the package. Right, so this is how the package looks. So now here we have the box, and we have the Plouise logo here. Alright, so this is the inside of the box. So now I'm going to take out. So first we have some eyelashes, and this first one is called Cut a Check. Then the next style is called Rich Babe's World. This one here is called Born on the Budget, and this is my favorite one. It's very nice and full. Next we have the Plouise Perfect Pouts lip paints. So we have the shades Devour and Left on Red. I've never tried these, so I can't wait to try them. Next we have the Plouise Also Beautiful Brow Balm, and I can't wait to use this. So we have the brow balm, and we also have an eyebrow spoolie. Smell real nice. What is this? Okay, so now we have the Plouise Oh So Saucy. I don't know this one. Add your own sprinkle of spice, sass, and sauce to create your own unique blend of Plouise goodness. And it says slide for a snack. Right, so these are the Plouise paints that set within a minute, and we have the shades Babu, Paprika Punch, and Mellow Mustard. Okay, so here we have eyeshadow bases. Alright, so I have the shades Rumor 3, Rumor 4, Rumor 5, Rumor 3, Rumor 4, Rumor 5, Rumor 6, and Rumor 7. The only shades here that I have never tried are the shades Rumor 6 and Rumor 7, and these are darker shades, so I can't wait to try these. This is a Plouise also beautiful brow duo in the shade Espresso. So in this brow duo you get a brow pencil, the also beautiful eyebrow pencil, and you get a gel, and this lasts very long. Well, the pencil runs out quickly, but the gel lasts really long. I've had the first one since 2020 and it still has a lot of product in there, and I use it every time I do makeup. So here we have a palette, and this is one of the Love Tapes palettes. This one is the Date Night edition. Right, so then we have, I believe this is like the thank you card for your order, babe. Now get ready to be obsessed. And on the card has like some of their products, and we're going to use reviews from customers, and of course, you know, you get 5 stars all the time, every product. Don't forget to use my code, which is BeatThatCurly10, and that will give you 10% off of your purchases on the Plouise website. Okay, so now this is the last thing in the package, and this is very exciting. We have the Plouise Big Spender scratch card. So apparently you can win things if you scratches and win something. You could. On the back says spend big, win bigger. Is today a lucky day, babe? Scratch the card and reveal your fate with our ticket to the riches. We already won. Having you join our Plouise family, we will bag a win with your loyalty. But no matter what, you are always a winner in our eyes. Your destiny awaits. Scratch off to reveal your fate. Found a match? Congrats. Send a pic of your scratch card and email your winnings over to customer services at pldistribution.online. None of them win. None of the things them I win. 12, 20, 27. So none item. Okay, so I don't win anything on the card, but it was very fun to do, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please thumb up this video, comment down below, share, subscribe, and please turn your post when you subscribe, please turn your post notifications so you won't miss any future videos. I will be doing a video soon using these products, so please stay tuned for that. Feel free to leave recommendations of any videos you guys would like to see me do down in the comments. Also follow me on Instagram, the link to that will be down in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.